Hi everyone, I'm Nickibot. Welcome to Counting Adventures. Today we are going to learn numbers. Get ready to count from 10 to 20 with me in a fun and exciting way. Let's go! 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18.
'We're doing great. Clap your hands and stomp your feet.
19.
Counting tens is super sweet. With Nickibot, we learn and play.
20.
Again, hip hip, hooray.
Congratulations! You've completed our exploration of numbers 10 to 20.
50, 60, nice and slow. 70, 80, 60.
Please subscribe, like the video, click the bell, leave comments, and share with your friends. Thank you. Now, are you ready to count even bigger numbers? Let's go step by step and say them out loud together. 22. 33. 44. 55. 66. 77. 88. 99. 100. Let's say them one more time.
Come along and count with me.
All the big numbers ending in 0.
We'll go up high, just wait and see.
20.
20 to 100, 1, 2, 3. 20, 30, 40,
30.
50, 60, shout hooray. 70, 80,
40.
9 to 100, we're doing great.
50. 60. 70.
Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Counting tens is super
80.
sweet. With Nickibot, we learn and play. Let's count again. Hip, hip,
90.
hooray.
100. Keep practicing your numbers every day. Numbers are all around us. Can you find numbers at home? Thanks for joining me on this counting journey. Happy counting! See you next
Clap
time.
your hands and stomp your feet.